Welcome to presentation on ISO 9001-2015. We offer a facilitation and consultation for ISO 9001-2015. We believe in integrity, trust, mutual respect, value-added services to the customers. About the new version of the standard ISO 9001. A common question asked, what are the main changes to the standard? The answer is, the new version follows a new higher level structure to make it easier to use in conjunction with other management system standards, with increased importance given to risk. A common question asked, I am certified to ISO 9001-2008. What does this mean for me? The answer is, organizations are granted a 3-year transition period after the revision has been published to migrate their quality management system to the new edition of the standard. What are the benefits of new standard? Bringing quality and continuous improvement into the heart of your business. The revised standard will ensure that the quality management is now completely integrated and aligned with the business strategies of your organization. About the leadership, greater involvement in the management system by the leadership team will ensure the whole organization will be motivated towards the organization's goals and objectives. About the introduction of risk and opportunity management, reinforces use of the management system as a governance tool and will help identify business opportunities that contribute to bottom line improvements. About an integrated approach, with the new structure applicable to all new ISO management system standards, it will be much easier to implement multiple integrated management systems. The new ISO 9001 structure, the new standard is already published in September 2015. It is based on the new high level structure that brings a common framework to all management system standards. This helps to keep consistency, alignment of different management system standards, offer matching subclauses against the top level structure, and apply common language across all standards. So integration of different standards in one management system will become very easy. The key changes in the proposed standards are the emphasis on leadership, the focus on risk management, emphasis on objectives, measurement and change, communication and awareness, fewer prescriptive requirements. With the new standard in place, organizations will find it easier to incorporate their quality management system into core business processes and gain greater business benefit. We offer in our product basket, you will get awareness training programs based on the customized modules, which include awareness of system. We also conduct and execute internal auditor and lead auditor training programs of ISO 9001-2015. We offer consultancy services of complete implementation or consultancy of customized modules. We can offer first party or second party assessments and audits. Our technical team, we are part of global group having offices in India and Europe. Our technical team has a rich knowledge about the system with working knowledge of more than 20 years in management system certification. We also have an auditors in our team who are approved lead auditors from different Indian, European and US based certification bodies. We would like to understand from you about your requirements. For partial or complete solution, please drop us an email and we will reply you immediately with techno-commercial proposal. Thank you very much for your time. You can contact us on mail to sandeepk@gmail.com.